Have you ever searched for the window setting only get random web result or wait several seconds for it to load? So what if the told you there are a much faster way to open Windows tool instantly? So hi, welcome back to our channel Explore IT Issue Solution for All. Today I will show you the 5 powerful run command that every Windows user should know. These commands work on Windows 10, Windows 11 and they will save you lots of time. So let's get started. So first command is the appwich.cpl. For open this command you just go to the press Windows key and R, then here you can type it app appwij.cpl. Hit enter. Then you directly open the control panel where the install is opening settings. Then you can directly access the all installed software from one place here. So this is useful for uninstalling the application, repairing the software, checking the installed programs and removing the unwanted application. So if you Chrome is not working properly, then instant you can searching the uninstall program and simply press Windows R and type appwich.cpl. Okay, and another command is ncpa.cpl, which is also open via the run. So window again, press Windows R and here you can type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Then you see that so the Ethernet and Wi-Fi adapter. So it's perfect for the disabling the Wi-Fi, enabling the Ethernet, changing IP address, DNS settings, VPN troubleshooting and all. Internet stop working. Instead of searching through the control panel, you just go to the ncpa.cpl and right click your adapter and disable and enable. Problem solved in a second. And the third command is again go to the Windows R key here and the command is services.msc. Services.msc. Hit enter and you can see the multiple services showing in your dashboard. Like you can restart the window updates, restart the print spooler, restart the Bluetooth services, restart the DHCP, DNS and everything. Printer not working, then open the services.msc, then find the print spooler. Suppose that print spooler this services, then right click and restart the service. Not control panel needed for this. And the fourth command is also I'll show you. The command is Windows R again, type msconfig. Yes, now press enter here. Then you see the system configuration. This tool is incredibly useful. Here you can perform the clean boot, disable startup settings. Suppose that here you can disable the startup settings, troubleshooting driver issues, tools driver issues, save mode boot and diagnostic startup. So your PC is extremely slow after startup. You can use msconfig and disable unnecessary services from here, like untick and tick when it's automatically started. Then notice that the difference you have find after that. And the fifth command is again go to the run window and press R, then type here. The next command is clear mgr, CLEAR. Then you can hit enter. I think this command is not perfectly working. Okay, not clear, it's clean. My bad. Clean mgr. So when you hit enter, you got this type of select the device drive you want to clean up. So suppose C, D, E, which device you want to clean. So when you run this scan, you temporary file, removed recycle bin, remove window update caches, delivery optimization file and old file. Many users lose several gigabytes of the storage because they never clean window. So this command safely remove the unnecessary file. And so once you have select the C drive and click OK, then the scanning is started. Suppose that like this. So see this. So now you can clean your system files like this. This process is calculating and remove the unnecessary file which you not using by the computer. Then done. OK, and delete file. Okay. And one of the bonus command I will told you, the again go to the window R and C, window R and type control. So once you control, you directly open on the control panel. No need to go to the start menu and select the control panel. So this is for your bonus command. So if the video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to explore IT issues for the particular Windows tips, troubleshooting guides and IT tutorials. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video. Till then, bye.